All right, Miss Swan. So tell me a little bit about your experience with the team in our office. I know these days sometimes customer service can be a little hit or miss wherever you go, but do you feel like you were genuinely taken care of and you were listened to throughout your whole process?
Yes, absolutely. Um, I think Dr. Bawu's approach to customer service, he extends that to all of his employees as well. So from the time you walk through the door to the service that you receive, everything is excellent service. Always pleasant people. I think that's his nature too, is part of it because he's such a great teacher, like has a teaching spirit,
He does.
a very gentle and comforting spirit. And I think if you're around him, you're gonna pick that up. Like you're not even gonna be comfortable being anything other than that. So it just creates an atmosphere that puts you at ease, which makes, because a lot of people have apprehensions or anxiety about dental work. So from the time you get here, it's just real welcoming and like a family. I like it.
That's good
Yeah.
to hear. And yes, speaking on the fact people are nervous when they come to the dentist. I've never seen so many just people of different demographics, and it's never the kids, it's always the men who are like doing the crying and, kind of scared a little bit. But Dr. Bowell is really great at, like you said, just really comforting his patients, listening to your needs because he works with so many different types of people. So that that and just being a doctor in this profession, you have to deal with so many different personalities, whether it's your staff, patients, labs that he works with. But he just always creates an environment, like you said, that makes you feel like family when you walk in here. So I think that is the difference between us and other offices.
Absolutely.
What was the first thing that you did when you got your implants? A little birdie told me something, but I want to hear it from you.
Well, of course, there's protocol after you get an implant. And you're supposed to take it easy, like, any other semi kind of surgery. But I had tickets to a Falcons game.
Okay.
And possibly a concert as well.
Possibly a concert.
So he warned me and kept checking on me. I think he may have checked on me even while I was there, actually. But it was great. Like, I suggest you following doctor's orders.
Right,
of course,
right.
all the time. But, I was fine.
When the tickets call and you have things going on, and in her defense, if you went to a Falcons game, you definitely took it easy regardless. So
don't play us like that. No.
I'm an Atlanta girly too, so I feel like I could, just a little bit. But so I'm glad that you were still able to live your life. Like, I think sometimes when patients think of invasive surgery, something going into their gums, it's like, whoa, hold on. When am I going to be able to get back to my normal life? So I think just hearing you say, like, no, I got my smile and then I was out, living my life, doing what I normally do. I think that's also comforting for another patient to hear, somebody who may be hesitant about the surgery because they're thinking about the downtime, like, when can I go to work? When can I go out with my girls, So it's good to know that you're still living your life. You didn't allow, like, the surgery to, stop anything.
No, absolutely not. If anything, it freed you more because then you're not self-conscious about your smile.
Yeah.
You're just ready. The joy is back for real.
Right. New experiences and a new smile. It's always good. They go together really well.
They do.